Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer seed token from your Sui wallet to your MEXC exchange. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So let's go over to Sui wallet. Here is Sui wallet and we are the home page. What you have to do, you have to look for seed, which is this. So let's go over to seed, and over here you're going to see send. So you're going to see your amount of seed and send. You have to go over to send, and here you have to put the amount of seed which you want to transfer to your MEXC account. And at the downside, you're going to see address. You have to go over to your MEXC for you to copy your deposit address. So let's go over to MEXC, and here is MEXC, and let me go over to it right away. And this is it, and it's loading. The app is opening, and let me put in my passcode for me to gain access to my MEXC. I've done that right now, and you are going to see wallet at the downside at your right corner. Let's go over to wallet, and you're going to see on-chain deposit, and let me go over to on-chain deposit. And over here you're going to see different crypto, different coin, and for you looking for seed will be hard, so you have to go over to the search button side, the search area side, and what you have to do, you have to type in seed. Let me do that right now, and you can see it over here. You have to go over to it, and here is your seed deposit address, your Sui deposit address. You just have to copy it right away, and you say copy successfully. What you have to do next is for you to go over to your Sui wallet. Let me do that right away, and you can go over here and paste it. Let me paste it right now, and you can see it, and this is it. And you're going to see review. You have to go over to review, and to take us to the next step, you have to go over to send now. Let me do that right away, and it's showing transfer successful. So what you have to do next, for you to go over to your MEXC again, for you to check if you've received the seed from your Sui wallet. And let's go over to wallet, and over to wallet you're going to see spots at the upside over there beside the overview. Let's go over to spots, and yeah, you're going to see a lot of coins and a lot of seeds too. So let's go over to the search area here. You can see it over there. Let's go over to the search area, and let me type in seed, and is there. And over here, when you go over to it, you're going to see the amount of seed which you transfer for your Sui wallet to your MEXC exchange. So you're going to see your seed over there. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.